After the brutal Delhi gang rape incident last year, the government faced pressure to come up with stringent anti-rape laws to curb sexual violence against women. The Justice Verma Committee proposed certain amendments in the existing rape laws. The Home Ministry now has proposed a few changes in the ordinance. The new anti-rape law accepts Justice Verma's recommendation to lower the age for consensual sex from 18 years to 16 years. Instead of the term sexual assault, the new anti-rape law brings back the word rape, thereby not making it gender neutral. The new law also rejects marital rape. While the NCW has welcomed the changed law as more women-centric, the opposition was quick to demand a redraft of the anti-rape law to include sexual assault along with rape to keep the law gender neutral.
सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट जो था, ये नाम जो दिया गया था, ये हमारी भी एक रिकमेंडेशंस थी. अब उन्होंने इसको रेप करने के लिए जो किया है, वो सिर्फ एक स्पेसिफाई कर दिया कि ये विमेन का ही होगा.
रेप इज a violence against women by men, though a similar set of violence can happen to men.
Women activists also feel that a stronger law is needed to check the soaring sex crime graph.
When the police is lawless, the courts don't deliver justice in such a situation. It's foolish to think that simply tampering with law, adding this clause or that clause will help.
The proposed changes in the anti-rape law received mixed reactions from parents and youngsters.
We consider 16-year-old as a child. So how can you say that 16 years is the right age, legalized age to have sexual activity?
I don't think it's going to contain the sexual crimes in this city, not unless you educate the men and the boys about sexual education first.
It remains to be seen whether the House would accept the proposed amendments and finalize on a strong anti-rape law for women's security. With video journalist Nishad Hayat in New Delhi, Samir Kapoor.